Many of us worry about cyber criminals lurking on the web trying to steal our personal information.
It's a big concern for me because I know a lot of people that have had problems with that.
Oh, it's something that I worry about, and also my banking, and everybody's heard a story about something that's hacked into their account.
Dark web scans are promoted as a way to discover if your personal information is on the underground platform.
These are different auctions that are going on.
Computer security expert Jacob Lott showed us, unfortunately, the benefits of dark web scans are likely pretty limited.
Nobody gives away data and information for free. Yahoo hacked Mail's Peck.
Sure enough, unless you buy the list, only 10 hacked Yahoo emails out of 3 billion are provided on this sample log.
Very, very limited.
He says it's more effective to pay attention and take action if a company sends you notice your account might be breached. One thing you can do to protect yourself if you think your identity is compromised is freeze your credit. That makes it harder for identity thieves to open accounts in your name. It's free now and easier than ever thanks to a new law that recently took effect. All you have to do is make a request to all 3 credit bureaus on the phone or online.
Oh, I think that's fantastic.
Also, be sure to change your passwords often and make them complex.
Never use your kids' names, your pet's name, your birthday.
Hackers on the dark web are very resourceful, so no matter what you do, nothing is 100% foolproof. But following these precautions and being vigilant about monitoring your credit are your best defenses. I'm Angie Moresky. It pays to be consumer wise.